My name is Imad Jbara. I'm a relationship coach working for NYC Wingwoman and The Perfect Suitor. We help people become the best versions of themselves. One big thing that's really occurring right now is combating loneliness. This is a great time to reflect, kind of realize what your needs are, what you want to do to grow as an individual. A couple of great things to really help you out with that is trying out meditation. Meditation helps you organize your thoughts, and it really gets you to control how you feel at that moment and kind of get rid of the negative thoughts that are happening, that are telling you you're lonely, you might not be good enough. So having meditation as a new thing that you learn can be very, very essential to your growth. Another one would be creating new hobbies. If you ever wanted to play an instrument, this is the time. You can get a piano, get a guitar, start taking lessons. You can learn how to draw if you want. You can learn how to paint. You can play a sport. Maybe you might have a basketball hoop in the backyard. Anything you learn can only help you grow. You can take this time to start reading self-help books, reading novels, reading books on meditation maybe, reading books on business. In this time, it is very crucial to learn self-love. A lot of people don't take care of themselves. Think of it like this. If you're having a conversation with an 11-year-old and he tells you something or she tells you something that is kind of like uncomfortable and they're really sad, what are you gonna do? Are you gonna make them feel worse, or are you actually gonna try to help them through it? So now take a step back and now pretend you're talking to the 11-year-old version of yourself. If they're telling you an issue or a problem, if they feel lonely, help them through it. Ask them why they feel lonely. Ask them why they're sad, why they're hurt, and then be compassionate. Treat yourself like you would treat another individual that's in pain. Because once you can learn that, you learn self-love, and then you lose traits like being needy, like being selfish, like being insecure, and kind of become the best version of yourself and the person that you aspire to be and that you want to be.